Hello and welcome to the London Car Alarm Company. Today we've fitted another Starline i96 on this beautiful 2020 SVR Range Rover Sport. How the system works is every time you jump in the vehicle, obviously if someone clones a key, jumps in the vehicle, tries to start it, this is what would happen. You can't start the vehicle. The vehicle won't start. So on here we've done something very simple, a push sequence procedure. So you can disarm it in two ways. So one way would be ignition on, go through your push sequence, and two would be either to pair it with a Bluetooth tag or pair it with a phone with the Starline key app. So I'm going to show you how to disarm it now. So ignition on, insert your push sequence. On here we've done this, very simple, 1, 2, 3. Receive your melody, start your vehicle. Really clever, really straightforward. Also, it has the facility that if you want to change the code, the way you change the code on this is also very straightforward. So first of all, you need to disarm the system. So ignition on, disarm the system, receive your melody, and then hit this 5 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ignition off, ignition back on. You get 5 bleeps. And now you're in learn mode. So we're going to do something simple. We're going to go on here. 1, 2, 3. Wait for a melody. Repeat it again. Wait for your melody. There you go. New code is now learned. So if I turn off the ignition and give it about 10 seconds to arm, then we'll try the new code. Also, as I said, you can pair it with your phone, and the way you would program it so it becomes discoverable, so it can be seen by the app, is turn the ignition on, go through a disarm procedure, then hit this button here 7 times, ignition off, ignition on, get 7 chirps, then it becomes discoverable and you can find it with the app. I'll show you that in a second with the app working. So now let's try and start it. So ignition on, new code, melody, start your vehicle. Really clever, really straightforward. So now let me just show you the app. So now here's the app, all been preloaded. So now all you do is ignition on, melody on, start your vehicle. Really clever, really straightforward. No push sequence procedure, just jump in, Bluetooth on, app loaded. Now say for example now you're obviously going to take it for a service or a car wash. You don't want to give them the code, you don't want to give them the number. You can put it into valid mode, and the way you do that is put your finger on the key, hold it till it goes from red to amber, release. You'll get 2 bleeps. This is now in service mode, so it just means they can start the vehicle as many times as they want, move it around, don't have to give them the phone, they have to disclose the code. When you get the vehicle back, go back into the app, push and hold this till it goes back to green. Release, this is now green. Okay, so now the system is fully active and armed when you walk away. So now just jump in, Bluetooth on, phone in your pocket, get your melody, start your vehicle. Really clever, really straightforward. Hope you found this video helpful. My name's Otto, company's called London Car Alarm Company. Number to me is 028 906 0478, 028 906 0478. Thank you very much. Bye bye.